Hello guys, I'm Hanudeep and today I'm going to explain you System Software and Compiler Lab Experiment number 7, which is a predictive parser. So the main aim is to write a program in Java to parse a given string using non-recursive predictive parsing for a given grammar. So in this top-down recursive addition, backtracking and non-backtracking predictive parsers and LL parsers. So parser is divided into these ways, and this is the whole description for this parser. So this is the respective algorithm, and in this parser we are going to check if dollar equal to dollar, then the input which you have given is valid, otherwise it's not valid. So the program will be like, so this is the respective program, and in this we are going to use a stack overflow stack. uh, okay, and so this is a respective program, and in this we are going to use a public array stack, and if top plus is plus 1 is greater than or equal to size, then throw a new index out of bounds exception. So stack overflow exception. If top plus 1 less than size, then array of plus top equal to I. In this for loop, for I int I equal to top, then I greater than or equal to 0, I increment, then system dot out of println print array of I. So it will print the array, and in this we are going to use a buffer reader for checking the entire text, and for the terminals we are using alpha set equal to integer dot parsing, and for non-terminals we are using stat set, and in this entering the starting non-terminal in the grammar. For that we are using character state. So for int I equal to 0, I less than alpha set I plus plus, so it will run the for loop is mainly meant for the terminals, so it will run in the terminals which we have given, and alphabet equal to new array of list. For I int I equal to 0, I less than alpha set I plus plus, then it will alpha set is for terminals, and state set is for non-terminal. So here we are entering the non-terminal simultaneously, and the for loop will check the non-terminals, and here we are also using the epsilon, and for that int s equal to 0, s less than state set s plus plus, and we are entering the row entries for the transition table, and it will for loop is meant for r less than alpha set, and then the next we are going to use transition of s and r. So and we are giving the integer y, so and we are entering the input values for the parser. Give input to the parser and end your input with the dollar and hash. So here stack dot push dollar and stack dot push state 0, so index is 0, so it will start from 0, and in this we are going to use both dollar and s. The input which we are going to use will contain both dollar and s. So in this int index 1 equal to alphabet dot index of char, and index 2 equal to alphabet dot index of char. If transition of index 2 index 1 dot equals, then null. System it print it as given string is not accepted. And for int I equal to d dot length minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. If d of I equal to at the rate, then stack dot push d of I. If ch equal to char3, then increment index. Else if char equal to dollar, then push stack. Else stack dot push equal to ch. If int char at index equal to minus 1 equal to dollar, then print parsing is completed successfully. And in the end we can print whether to continue or not. So for continuing press 1 or 0 in that way. And again in the end we have used the scanner, and y equal to scan dot next int. So it will take the value of integer y which we have entered. If we run this, the input which we have given in the end, if dollar is equal to the dollar, then the input which you have given is accepted and it's valid. If it's not, then the string is not accepted. So if we run this, please enter the number of terminals. So if 5 non-terminals, 4, enter the starting terminal. uh, B equal to A. Sorry. So please enter all the non-terminals simultaneously. For epsilon use at the so enter the row entries for the transition table. Enter the row entries. No, one sec. So for please enter non-terminals, we are going to give the capital letters E, A, T, B, F. For non-terminals, E, A. Sorry. There's a row entries for the transition table. The row entries. So E greater than of TA null. Null. Enter the row entries for the transition table. Null A of plus T and null and null. So this is give input to the process. So for the your input with dollar and hash. So in this way, the whole Blender program will run. So actually, it's a input values are so big. So thank you for watching.